Assalamualaikum. Hai Uci, hai Ira.
Waalaikumsalam. Hai Ata.
Hai. Good evening guys.
Good evening.
What are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm sick.
Get Wilson.
Thank you guys. Okay guys. I hope you are all doing well. First of all, I'd like to point out discuss some new teaching strategy and share your experience, guys.
That's a great idea. What's on your mind, Tata?
I feel like the recent classroom learning has been quite boring. We need to find ways to make learning more engaging. Any idea?
I'm excited to be part of. Start by talking about any recent success or challenge in our classroom. It's a good way to learn from each other. That's exactly what I was thinking, Ira. Let's begin by sharing our recent experience, and then we can explore new strategies to enhance our teaching.
Yes, I feel the same way. What we have to decide is introduce variant in your teaching method. For example, incorporating variance learning resources like video, image, and presentation so that students have more way to understand the material.
That's a great idea, Tata. Additionally, we could try using games or challenge in our teaching. For instance, we can organize quick quizzes at the beginning of lessons to assess basic understanding and offer small prize for correct answer.
In addition to that, we could also have a show and tell day where each student has to present a specific topic to their classmates. This would enhance their engagement and improve their public speaking skill.
Exactly. Furthermore, let's strive to build a closer relationship with the student, like listening to their feedback on how they want to learn and teaching them topics they find interesting. Absolutely. I think it's also essential to tailor the learning to the students' interests. For example, if they enjoy music, we can try to incorporate musical elements into the lesson. Lastly, don't forget to regularly evaluate whether these changes are effective and if students feel more engaged. We can get feedback from students on a consistent basis.
That's right. I'm absolutely convinced that if we try this variant strategy and maintain open communication with the student, we can create more active and enjoy learning in the classroom.
All these ideas sound great, Tata and Ira. Let's start implementing them and see how the students respond. Hopefully, they'll become more enthusiastic and engaged in their learning. But I think we need to think about how to make classroom learning more interesting. Any ideas? I guess so. In my opinion, active and enjoyable learning can help students become more enthusiastic. How about starting by introducing games into our teaching?
That's a great idea. I have tried some game in my class, like Kahoot, to test the understanding of the material. My students are always excited to participation.
Yes, game like Kahoot can be very entertaining and effective, Tata. Additionally, I found that using short videos or image can help explain concept more clearly and capture the student attention.
Maybe we could also try collaborative project in the classroom. Students working together in groups to complete specific tasks. It can help them learn through collaboration and discussion.
I think so. Collaboration project and can encourage student engagement and provide them with opportunity to speak and think critically.
Finally, don't forget to create a comfortable and supportive classroom atmosphere. Students will enjoy learning more if they feel accepted and appreciated.
Absolutely. I think we can try these various strategies and see which one work best for our respective class. Most importantly, let's strive to make learning more interesting and meaningful for the
I agree. Let's start implementing this idea in your class and see how the students respond. Hopefully that they will become more enthusiastic and engaged in their learning. Okay guys?
Yes, I hope so. Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for information and inspiration in tonight.
Okay, Tata, thank you too.
Okay.
Okay.
See you guys.
Bye. Good evening.
See you
See you
guys. See you
guys.
tomorrow.
See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.